Hello guys, how you guys doing? I know I'm half face done. There's part underneath my eyes, yes, for this intro. So I was reviewing some new foundation and concealer, the what I call it, misguided foundation and concealer by Bel concealer. Alright, so for this tutorial I'm just going to be doing a quick eye look. First of all, I'm just going to start with the brows. For brow pencil, I'm using Huda Beauty brow pencil. This has become one of my favorite brow pencil. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette by OFRA Cosmetic. This is the OFRA Cosmetic Soul palette. I love it, and highlighter. Comes with blush. Can use blush, powder. Like, it's so beautiful. It's like all in one.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby.
So I'm just going to take the shade right here.
No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
So I'll just use this eyeliner by Urban Decay. Water. To products by MAC. This is the MAC Cosmetic new mascara and MAC Cosmetic eyeliner.
Don't let me sleep, never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Okay, for lip liner, I'm going to take from this lip liner set by Colourpop. One shade from the collection. I'll leave the name at the description bar.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you.
I'm going to take lipstick from this set by OFRA Cosmetic. OFRA Cosmetic mini lip set. Everyday Nudes.